As many of you know, this is Twitter. So Twitter is a form of social media that allows for people to share short updates about their lives, opinions, facts about various topics, etc. So the neat thing about it is you can create what we call tweets, as many of you are familiar with, in 140 characters or less. So Twitter allows for users to be able to tag posts so that way you can easily find them and they're sortable. So kind of like you can see on this trending list here. So this is my Twitter account. So this is the home page. So the nice thing about that is once on the Twitter account, if you choose to follow someone, on your homepage, you get a feed that has various tweets that you can see. So I follow SportsCenter. I'm also a big fan of The Walking Dead. So I get to see these updates. And even though I might not follow this person named Rachel, because she creates a hashtag, so a way to tag certain things, I can still see what other people are saying about that show and connect to it. So it is a very easy way to create a community and connect with people you may not know or people you do know, so that way you can get small updates from their lives. The nice thing about Twitter is you can use it on any device, so specifically people typically use them on their phone, but here I have it on my computer screen. So the nice thing about using it in your classroom is simply in your classroom it gives you a way to provide students with running news feeds about when projects are due. Students can live tweet on an art field trip, and that's something that I've done in the past. And students can also create a live stream of questions during a presentation. So for me, it'd probably be an art history presentation, but me as a teacher, how I would use it is I would create a new tweet, so using my account. So I'll click this button top right that says tweet. You can also search Twitter for certain hashtags and also people in general. But I'll create this tweet. So the nice thing about that tweet is you can use the @ symbol to tag someone in your message. So let's say if I'm just going to tag my friend Stephen, I can select him here. So that way he is a part of that message. I'll take him out. But let's say I'm going to compose a message for the Milwaukee Lutheran Art Club. I can do that. So Art Club is going to meet Tuesday. And then I can tweet that out so people can find it. What I can also do is tag it. So with that hashtag symbol there, or the pound sign, I can tag MLHS Art Club or MLHS Art. I can create other various tags so people can find it, just MLHS, so that way it's a part of my school. Also, I can even just tag art, so anyone who's interested in art could find that. That post about the art club in general. So then I could tweet it, and then all my students can find that post itself. So that's the nice thing about Twitter. You can create these small messages in 140 characters or less. It allows for you to connect to a community, and basically allows for you to extend the classroom if you choose to use it in your classroom. So that way discussion does not stop when the students leave. They're able to use Twitter as a great resource to extend discussion. And so like I said, I would choose to use it on a field trip where students could, say for example, post about something. So let's say, I love this image that represents symbolism. So they would write that. They'd also use that critique portion of what we do in my class. So they'd say, this image shows great emotion through the use of color, shapes, and line. And that's how they'd write that critique. And then what they could do is they could tag it. So they could tag it ma'am for the Milwaukee Art Museum, but then also they can tag it MLHS Art, and then I'd be able to easily find that. So that way I could grade it in class. And so that's the nice thing about using Twitter in your classroom. And again, it does extend the classroom, and it's very easy for students to use.